figure out what color you want to do?
You guys say green.
What do you guys think of green?
Stay warm.
What's the temperature on right now, Jack?
-8. Just get ready. You gotta turn it all the way to the left. Alright guys. Round 2 of Livingston walkthrough.
Now, it can have water settle in through the foundation. Being that the brick is porous, you'll see it sometimes, seeping through the brick. So that's the reason why we'll just use a couple of coats of the dry lock, and hopefully it prevents some of that moisture from entering here. That'll save that smell, and it'll save some of those water problems.
And I remember you were telling me
It smells different down here already too from when
you first
we first got it cleared it out.
No, it's awesome.
But from the last video that we showed that this area here was originally open and we closed it off, and then this is where the apartment is, and I believe now the doors are in where they weren't.
Oh, nice.
Hey guys, you can see base molding's going up here. The elements are coming in for the heating. Let's see if we can get a peek at this finished floor for you. A nice look. All the finish here.
Nice.
Some base molding to go in.
And Jay, what were the floors like before this?
These are all the original hardwoods here, so we just sanded, stained, and polyed them.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, on the first floor. On the second floor, it's all new vinyl floor.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll show you up there as well.
So it's all hardwood throughout?
Hardwood brought first floor. Upstairs
Nice.
is all vinyl.
All vinyl.
Yeah, second floor and the attic is all vinyl.
Bathrooms coming together nicely.
True.
Yeah, that's the full bath right there.
So towels put in.
Yeah, tile was put in since last.
Got you.
And then down
Oh,
here, kitchen
Oh,
already.
nice.
okay.
This is looking good. So it's gonna be here. What's gonna kind of happen over here?
This is gonna be the fridge right here, and then this is just the
Open.
eating area, kitchen, maybe a small breakfast table in here.
Those are a lot
This
smaller.
this dishwasher's going underneath here. That's microwave above, and then new shaker cabinets, backsplash. What's counters already in. Then we got to put in some cabinet hardware.
Looks good. They move quick. They didn't have this up last time, right?
Leave the elements in. So there's two spots over here to get in. You have one door there, one door here.
Yeah.
There's actually a third for the basement as well. And into the back of the second floor unit.
Nice.
Same thing, like I said, as the first floor, shaker cabinets, quartz counters. There's gonna be where your gas ranges, new stainless steel microwaves, dishwasher. Got a bedroom off this kitchen here. You can see over here the finished base trim and window trim is all in. Light fixtures in as well. And over here is where we have the vinyl.
Last time.
Yeah,
they had
I was
all
gonna
that
say
stuff in
that.
Here. It was just like 3 big cabinets they had with like books and clothes on it, a bed right here. The room looks a lot bigger.
And this bathroom's a little further along. You can see the finished fixtures are in, toilet bowl,
Oh,
and
nice.
Yeah.
There's the tile work.
Ew.
These windows. This project's like a little more than halfway.
Yeah, it's yeah, I would say maybe 3/4 of the way done. Some finishing touch stuff in here obviously to be done, and then the outside we still have to side the outside.
Gotcha.
This is another bedroom.
So then this is the living room area.
Yeah, there's the living space here.
Okay.
And we got another bed here.
So this is the other bedroom. Nice.
Yeah, there's the other bedroom here.
Got it.
And that's the front of the house.
Okay. It's coming along.
Yep.
Front entrance, the main entrance to come in, and this will be the main entrance to the apartment here.
Yeah.
Got it.
And then up here, hey, how's it going?
Hey.
Yeah, these are the vinyl. You can see right here, you got a glimpse of it in this bedroom.
So what's the difference of the vinyl and the
Well,
hardwood?
downstairs we had the option of keeping the original hardwood. That's what was down there. We were able to sand and refinish it. Over here, there was an existing linoleum floor that we had to chip up, remove, and then from there we were just working with the subfloor. So for us, in this particular project, the more economical way to do it was to put down, say, a cheaper vinyl floor rather than putting down a 3/4 inch oak floor and sanding it and staining it and making both units match. It's just a good cost savings for the amount of square footage both on this floor and the attic space.
No, it makes sense. Downstairs you were able to refinish
Yeah,
it
we
and
were
keep
refinish.
it. This you kind of had to
This
go
was
home
an
and
new
fix.
install, exactly.
Looks really good.
Oh, this. Oh, I gotta calm down.
Wow.
Yeah, so this
Looks
is
good.
This came out super.
So this is gonna be like a, I guess like a living room for somebody.
Yeah, it's a living room, it's just another flex space that they can use, whether it's a bedroom or a living space, and then there's another room in the rear as well. And then the bedroom as well. This is all for the second unit. Yeah, this is all for the second unit. So this is the bath as well.
Okay. Yeah. Nice touch.
And then this is now. It's like a big space with like a bar back here that you couldn't even like hang out in because it had stickers all over the wall. That was bizarre. And then now it turns into a bedroom and like a big living room also.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, now you gotta check out the before and after photos of what the attic used to.
Look at this. This is pretty cool. Jay, you told him to add this part?
Well, yeah, we actually added some of this too.
What's the point of
for
that?
structural bracing. So when we got everything out of here, just to structurally brace the house and shore it up, we added up these roof rafters to pull the house tighter along. And then with that, we painted them white just to give it like a certain look. So
Yeah.
Must have been a challenge getting a lot of this stuff up here for the guys to work
yeah,
on.
that thing's gonna get cut in half to get out of here.
What is
If
this?
anybody's looking for a pool table.
Oh my God.
So we can take it.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed another walkthrough of one of our projects, and can't wait for you guys to see more.
Later, guys.
We're out.